Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today we're going to be doing my January Boxycharm unboxing. If you saw my last video, I did the Boxy Luxe unboxing. That's only quarterly, so we're back to just the regular monthly Boxycharm. If you are unfamiliar with what Boxycharm is, this is a monthly subscription service for makeup, typically makeup, but beauty products as well. And it has typically 5 full-sized products for $21 a month and typically retails for well over $100. So this is definitely, of the subscription boxes that I have, this one is definitely my favorite. So let's take a look at what we got in our January box. I do have it all over my face right now, well, at least what I could. So I am going to do some cutaways to show you me actually applying this look on both my eyes and on my lips. So let's go ahead and take a look. So when we open her up here, the theme this month is Boxy and Chill, which is super appropriate for January when everyone's just sort of taking it easy. So I definitely like that. And that's what came in our box this month. So there are a couple of things that I want to talk about first that are kind of on the bottom of the box, and that is going to be these two Tarte face masks. I'm actually strangely excited about this. I usually don't get very excited about sheet masks, but everything that I've tried from Tarte I have really enjoyed. Granted, that's very small amount of products because they are pricey. In fact, these retail for $12 each and you get 2 of them, or at least I got 2 of them. So that's $24 right there. And I can tell you right now, this is not a splurge that I would have done on my own. So I am really excited to give these a try and see if I love them enough to buy them again. The other thing that we got that is not makeup related is this leave-in conditioner. This is by Briogeo. This is their Rosarco leave-in conditioning spray. I've actually used this before. I've gone through either 1 or 2 of the leave-in conditioners that are this size, and I do like it quite well. So I am excited to get this. I'm sure you have heard me say ad nauseum that I do travel a lot for my job, so I do appreciate things that are TSA friendly. So I am happy about this. There is one makeup product that I did not try on, and that is this right here, which is the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. So I didn't put this on for a couple of reasons. First of all, my brow game is not strong, as you have probably noticed. I have really sparse, over-tweezed brows from decades of over-tweezing. Thank you, 90s. I'm just not confident in doing my brows, so I wasn't going to make a disaster of them with a brand new product. I always kind of laugh when it says universal, because let's be honest, there's no such thing. But this looked like it could be a pretty decent, let me see if I can get you a good, that is just ridiculous. I'm trying not to use too much. Probably a decent match for me. The thing that though I have concerns about is it is a retractable pencil. And it doesn't have a sharpener, so I think for the first like 1 or 2 times that I try it, I'll do well, or well-ish, and then after that, we'll see. So that's why I didn't put it on, but I think just based on the swatch that I put on my hand, I think the color for me personally may work okay, but universal, it definitely is not and cannot be. So those are the 3 products that you don't see kind of demoed right here. But the first thing that you do see is actually this bad boy right here. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. So I suspect that there are a couple of different ones floating around within people's boxes. I know sometime early last year, I want to say, I got volume 2. So I had kind of a decent idea about what to expect from this product. So this is what mine looks like. It's gorgeous packaging. I've always really loved Tarte's packaging in general. And then the inside looks like this. So I did get this eye look today, and I'll insert a clip of me applying it, and I have kind of mixed feelings about it, just like I had mixed feelings about the Volume 2. So this is an all shimmer palette, which I'm totally fine with. I love all shimmer palettes. The problem though that I see with it is that while I really enjoy the look that I got, I think this is pretty much the only look that I'm going to get from this particular eyeshadow palette. It doesn't have a ton of variation to it. And furthermore, I'm pretty pale, and this has, what, 2-ish deeper shades in it. So everything else would be a lid shade, which is fine, but where Tarte has been criticized for in the past, by myself included, is that there's just not a lot of diversity in their shade range. So while I got a very nice look on my skin tone, if you are medium to deep, I don't know how well this is going to work for you outside of maybe inner corner highlight, or maybe kind of a transformative shade, kind of taking it and tapping it over the top of a deeper shade. Like, you can make it work. I'm not going to pretend like you can't, but it's not going to be a one and done sort of palette. Usually I like stuff like this for traveling, obviously. And while, again, I could take it traveling with me, I would really not get a lot of diversity in my looks. So overall, I enjoyed the performance of it. I thought it worked quite well, but that's kind of my up and my down on this product. And then finally, the very last thing that came in the box, which is the thing that I'm honestly the most excited about, is a liquid lipstick by Ofra. This is actually in the new packaging, which is pretty sweet. This is in the shade Miami Fever, and I've actually wanted this shade for a really, really long time. I just have never purchased it, so I'm super stoked that it came. That's what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It is this beautiful kind of burnt terracotta, kind of pumpkin-y, at least on me. On other skin tones, I'm sure it will come across a little bit deeper and a little bit more burnt red. On me, it's much more burnt pumpkin, which I am not mad at. I love this shade. I think I'm going to be able to get a lot of good usage out of it, especially going into February. It's a nice variation on a true red lip, so I am very excited. Ofra makes amazing liquid lipsticks. They are very comfortable. They're not crazy drying and hard, and they smell really nice. So I am super excited to have gotten this in my box. So overall, I feel like there were some really awesome things that I got and some things that I'm just sort of meh about. But I'm still happier with this box than I was with my Boxy Luxe. So maybe that's saying something. I'm really interested to know what you got in your box. I know that Boxycharm has been, as of more recently, releasing different variations of their boxes. So I'm really interested to know what other people got. Did you get a different eyeshadow style? Did you get a different liquid lip? What did you get in your Boxycharm? I definitely want to thank you for spending just a few minutes with me today, and I hope that you have found this interesting and enjoyable. And if so, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up before you leave. I hope your day is going really well for you, and I will see you next time. Bye!